Hi everyone, my name is Navneet Kaur, and today in this video I will be talking about a job role that is good for the people who want to pursue their career in finance sector. So the job role is credit analyst. So it plays a very important role in financial system by ensuring the lending decisions are made responsibly. This role helps protect banks and financial institutions from potential losses while also supporting businesses and individuals by providing access to credit in a controlled and informed manner. So now let me introduce you like what does a credit analyst do. At a high level, a credit analyst acts as a risk evaluator. Before a bank or financial institution approves a loan, it must understand whether the borrower has the ability and willingness to repay the loan. And the credit analyst bridges the gap between business growth and risk management by ensuring that credit is extended only when the risk is acceptable. So, I will be talking about the roles and responsibilities of a credit analyst. So, firstly, a credit analyst performs an in-depth analysis of financial statement, including balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow. Especially focus is given to cash flows as loan repayments are made from cash, not accounting profits. Secondly, the analyst calculates and interprets key financial ratios such as liquidity ratio to assess short-term repayment ability, leverage ratio to understand the debt levels, and coverage ratios to evaluate interest and principals servicing capacity, profitability ratios to judge operational efficiency. Thirdly, the analyst conducts qualitative analysis, which includes evaluating the borrower's business model, industry risk and competitive positioning, management quality and governance practices, regulatory and macroeconomics factors. Another critical responsibility is credit structuring, where the analyst help determine loan tenure, interest rate, security of collateral requirements, and finally, the credit analyst prepares a credit appraisal or credit note, which summarizes all findings and provides a clear recommendation to approve, reject, or modify the loan proposal. Now, risk monitoring and post-sanction role. The role of credit analyst does not end once the loan is approved. Post sanction monitoring is equally important. Analysts continuously track borrower performance by reviewing periodic financial statement and repayment behavior, early warning signals such as declining cash flows or rising debt. This proactive monitoring helps institutions take timely corrective actions and reduce non-performing assets. Now, skills and competencies required are like one must have a strong foundation in accounting, finance, and risk analysis. Key technical skills include financial statement analysis, credit risk assessment framework, strong Excel and data analytics skill, understanding of banking regulations and lending norms. Equally important are soft skills such as analytical and critical thinking, attention to detail, clear written communication, professional judgment and decision making. And certifications like MPA Finance, CA, CFA, or FRM further strengthen credibility in this role. Now, industries and work environment. Credit analysts work across various sectors, including commercial and retail banks, NBFCs, non banking financial companies, credit rating agencies, investment firms, and fintech companies. The role is typically involves a mix of desk based analysis and collaboration with business and risk teams, making it both analytical and interactive. Now, what are the career growth and long term opportunities? A credit analyst role offers strong long term career growth. With experienced professionals can move into roles such as senior credit analyst, credit manager, risk manager, relationship manager, portfolio investment analyst. Many senior leadership roles in banking and finance start with a strong background in credit analyst. Now, like now, why choose a career as a credit analyst? So, a career as a credit analyst is ideal for individuals who enjoy analyzing financial data, prefer structured decision making, are interested in risk management and banking, want long-term stability and professional growth. It offers a balance of analytical depth, responsibility, and career security. Now, to conclude, the role of credit analyst is both challenging and rewarding. It requires strong analytical skills, sound judgment, and a deep understanding of financial risk. For anyone looking to build a solid career in banking or finance, Credit Analyst provides an excellent foundation. Thank you for watching.